Let's see how he does. He had, I was looking at the data, his closing speed was tremendous.
He did close fast in his semi-final, but if the Jamaicans get away like they did at the semi-final stage, closing fast might be too late.
What's so interesting is, now we start to see Curly next to Thompson and Lyle next to Seville. For people who are closers, they like to be next to people who start fast. Lyle's worked on the 60 meters this season. Oblique Seville has worked on his finish this season. Kishanethompson seems to have worked on everything. His acceleration has been amazing. Fred Curley showing the form that brought him the silver medal in Tokyo. Kenny Benerick concentrating.
Sabine has been here so many times before, hasn't been able to land that global medal. Tobago said in the build-up to the Olympic Games that if he could give his World Championship silver medal to Sabine, he would, because he feels Sabine deserves it, and he has such a long way to go in his young career.
Sabine is truly capable, but the question is, can he be there in the first 30, 40, 50 meters? And I think that's where the race will be decided. Whoever is accelerating really well from 30 to about 80 meters, that's where it plays into their hands. A lot of capable runners in this field,
it's the final
but you
of
have to put the
100
entire race together. This is going to be a race where you cannot make significant mistakes.
Anytime on the part of the ace and touching that traffic, just go and hold it. I want to like change them now, going away. Oblique Seville
Says any of
and Thompson
will go.
in the finals of the main 100 meter. Can I hear all proud Jamaica make some noise on this side right now? If you're proud of Jamaica right now, make some noise out for you.
Glenn Mills has coached a number of global 100 champions on the men's side, from Kim Collins in 2003. Of course,
yeah, man, only the right lane I work. The right lane, if you want to go out, go going on the right lane.
The Olympic Games in
If you're going on the left, you're there.
100 meters. He is the coach of Oblique Seville.
Yeah, if you're going on the left, you're deaf. If you want to go out, go keep right.
Francis has coached so many global
Remember, don't
champions
buckle
on
like
the
that, but
women's
he
side.
still have a ticket too.
One title he doesn't have is a global men's 100 title. Kishanethompson can give that to him. This is a really lengthy hold though.
Yeah. Oh, but who is the most confident athlete based on body language? You've spoken a lot about.
In the first two rounds, he had the leading times through 60. He was equal by Seville in the semifinal. An interesting fact, since the 1960s, only one athlete who's been shorter than 6 feet has won the Olympic men's 100 meter. That's Morris Green in 2000. Everyone else has been taller than 6 feet. Kishanethompson is 6'1".
The Jamaicans looking for a 4th Olympic 100 meter title in 5 Olympics. They're ready. Thompson is up well. Seville is up well also. Kishanethompson sprouting wings and begins to come forward. Kishanethompson takes it. 978. The Jamaicans have reclaimed dominance in the Olympic 100 meters. After
What's close between 40 and Kishanethompson? He might have it.
been Curly. That was really close.
Hold on, Jamaica, no celebrate it. Hold on.
It was a tight
Two
race.
other quarries in the race. Hold on, Jamaica, hold on the breath, hold on the breath.
Also came through.
Hold on the breath, it was close. Oh my God!
I saw it.
No!
Oh, I saw Noah Lyles come through. Somehow, he's won the Olympic title.
Oh,
Silence his critics. He's turned up in the moment.
The world